Welcome to Comscore Talks CTV. Over the course of this podcast series, we talk about the opportunities and challenges of connected TV advertising, helping advertisers to navigate this exciting channel and make the most of the new opportunities. We also cover the top 10 burning issues in CTV, from measurement and methodology to planning and programmatic options. Stay tuned.
Hi, and welcome to the next episode in our series on CTV advertising. In the last episode of this series, we covered the sixth burning issue for connected TV advertising, which was allocating and planning media investments in a CTV world. Of course, if you missed it, you can check us out. We're on SoundCloud, iTunes, Google Podcast, Amazon, and Spotify. Today, we've made it to the seventh and eighth burning issues of CTV advertising out of our top 10. Let's kick off today by looking at number 7, planning CTV using advanced audience data. Of course, big data has been transforming the media industry for some time, but perhaps in no more significant way than in the growing application of advanced consumer data. Now, to succeed in the midst of this ongoing shift to digital in the TV space, media buyers and sellers have to be able to measure digital audiences with all types of content across CTV. And while demographic data is necessary, it's not sufficient. For marketers, what truly matters is intent, and advanced audiences solve this problem by combining demographics with behavioral cues and an understanding of content being consumed that reflects interests and priorities. With access to big data and passive collection technologies such as automated content recognition, we are seeing a shift towards this same type of audience-based buying in connected TV and cross-platform. Planning CTV with advanced audiences data allows advertisers to select the target audience segment based on the topics that they are most interested in. For example, when we look at football viewers, we see that they have the strongest affinity towards documentaries, followed by horror shows. Maybe after seeing numerous injuries on the football pitch, they tend to become slightly desensitized to things like blood and gore. They show the lowest affinity for animated content, which may reflect the fact that these viewers really like content that's grounded in reality, like documentaries or sports. So planning CTV using advanced audience data allows advertisers to add interest, targeting shows and themes rather than only using a specific measurement. There is a need for data sets of sufficient scale to genuinely show the impact of ad exposure on brand and sales outcomes. And with the move to programmatic and TV, this becomes even more complex due to the fragmentation of advertising inventory. Panel-based measurement will be vital, but insufficient on its own because the industry is rising to meet these new challenges and demands. And this gives me a chance to step into our next issue, number 8 out of our top 10, the impact of changes in measurement methodologies. The industry is experiencing sweeping fundamental and material changes to methodologies for measuring cross-platform audiences as well as for adhering to privacy compliance. And when it comes to the evolution of TV measurement, we can't deny that the times are changing. In many cases, TV advertising is traditionally bought separately from the rest of the marketing plan. Buying across multiple environments can be a challenge because the level of data available for each environment can be different. Television is no longer just linear, it also reaches across platforms. As a result of this transformation, content providers are vying to be the most technologically advanced and reliable resources for their advertising partners. There's one key question that's been pervasive in the global television marketplace recently, which is, are linear TV audiences disappearing? Well, here's a spoiler alert for you. They're really not. In fact, aggregated viewing across all platforms is higher than ever, and linear TV is still far and away the greatest source of broadcaster advertising revenue. But audiences, to some degree, are shifting their behavior from linear and onto mobile, tablet, and OTT. And as you could hear in our latest 2021 State of OTT webinar, which is available at Comscore's website, OTT content viewing has become mainstream media behavior in the US, where more than 82 million households watch OTT in a month, which is about 76% reach among homes with Wi-Fi. To succeed in today's blended media ecosystem, very deep experience in both TV and digital measurement is necessary. And as the traditional TV and digital worlds have now converged, the metrics and techniques used to measure effectively have blended to create a cross-platform measurement. Comscore's roots as a data-driven technology company position us as the only measurement source that's really equipped with the tools and expertise needed to provide the systems capable of analyzing how audiences consume content today. And now that we're moving into international markets with CTV measurement, we can lean on this experience at Comscore to provide confidence to the marketplace that we are the best solution to measure modern viewing behavior. Thank you for joining me for this week's episode. Be sure to tune in next week for our final episode of Comscore Talks CTV. Be well.
To learn more about how Comscore can help with insights into TV viewing behaviors, please contact us directly or email learnmore@comscore.com.